Yeah, I already did it on a road glide.
Yeah, it's a road glide.
Alrighty. Sweet. A little different look, that's all. Yeah, nice tray. Very big. That was a big upgrade as far as the street glides go. That was a big upgrade compared to the street glides. So, thank you. Yep. Ooh, they had them on. They had them on. Yeah, they had them on. Is there adjustment on it or just on off?
So that's on.
Okay, there's the second first one, yeah. Off, right. Okay.
And then there's also this.
Yeah, probably see the air vent, yep. All right, man. Alrighty, here we go on the street glide version. I haven't rode a street glide for a while. At least it warmed up a little bit. They didn't make this very big on the exit here. And you follow that little arrow to get you where you need to go. Alrighty, hey, I don't know if that's not the volume control. I don't know. I'm not used to this up front close stuff. Road glide has that little bit of space I'm very much used to. They got them nice little vanes down there in the bottom on the street glide now too. And you don't even feel the difference in the speed. It just takes off and goes. Once you get in gear, you're gone. There's no lag in it. Like I said, that throttle is so touchy. So touchy. Definitely updated. Changing my display here. Touring. When you change the display, the speedometer comes up on the other side with your mileage and your gears and your cascades. Nice thing is everything switches around on there all the time. Why it won't let me select that, I don't know. Well, the joystick is in the center. It's not as big. Oh, let me put it on sport and let me put it on cruise again. Get your radio up in the top corner, get your voltage reading, your fuel reading, all that's on there. There's no oil pressure, but I imagine you could add that. Shifting is so smooth going up. It's the smoothest I've ever shifted. It's just like my bike knows now, with having changed the oil and everything. Doing demos ride, he's on a regular street glide. The pickup and speed on this, you ain't going nowhere. I think I should have went up another exit. I don't like where the phone button is. I keep hitting it. That's cool. The nav comes up in the middle between. Awesome ride. I don't know, man. Ooh, shifting is so smooth. Love the heated grips. Everything in here is all nice. It's a nice, clean layout. Like I said, getting used to the joystick and the thumb impressions. Or a lot differenter. Cruise, you're used to, when you get accustomed to something for so long, it's when they change it, it makes it a little different. Other than that, awesome bike. Stop up at the store, check them out. Found the heated gear control. It's like 3 different things there, and you get your different settings for the road and wet, and sport mode. I didn't put on sport mode because, tell you what, cruise is working great. I imagine sport mode, you pop on wheelies. So it works good too that way. Other than that, I mean, they're awesome. Definitely, if we get some, get up and demo ride at the shop, it'll definitely be worth the stop and worth a ride. Definitely more than, I got a 114, so it goes really good too, but the throttle response in this is just really, really sweet. So, really, really nice throttle response. Yeah, made a wrong turn, see all the demo area. Really big. All the bikes are here. You can ride, take them out. It's a nice 5 or 6 mile loop. Awesome stuff, man. Coming to the 120th. It all kicked off today, so got my demo rides in. Time to go get my hog check in, get some gas, start hitting some dealerships. Yep. Everybody's all happy to see you. Get the barcode scan so they keep track of where the bikes are at. Next will come up. They'll park you and then out for the next guy. Awesome. It's always awesome.